Morning guys. Okay, this morning we're going to have a go at removing the old near side front wing on the Range Rover, and we're going to have a go at replacing it with another one, second-hand one that we got off eBay. Really good condition actually. So let's get on with that. Okay, so you'll need a Torx bit to remove the bolts from the top of the wing, and looks like we've got 4 of them to remove, so let's have a go. Thought we'd have a little look at this corner of this crash bar today as well, give it a bit of a tidy up. I put some sealant on it to protect it, and yeah, looking quite good now. Happy with that. Good. There we go. And is this by magic, guys? We have a new wing. There we go. How's that look? That looks pretty good, and good match as well to the door. So yeah, chuffed with that. Really good. Bit of a struggle down here with these screws on the mud wing, so mud flap, sorry. So got one in, got to get the other one in. So I have to have a look at that. Yeah, all good. Happy with that. Right guys, I've come inside. Have a little break for 10 minutes. We've got a box arrived. Postman's been. So let's have a look what we got. Here we go. Yes, just as expected, we have brand new, original, well, so they say, front indicator lights for the Range Rover. Perfect. Yeah, like them. All the connections in as well. Quick look at the other one, make sure that's okay. That's great, that is. Oh dear, if they are original. We'll have to look at that. I did say they were, I don't know if they are. Original what? Original Land Rover? Original something else? I don't know. Made in Czech Republic. It's got Land Rover on it. Oh, it has got Land Rover on it, so I don't know if it is or not. Well, we'll have a look. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Brand new lights. Yes. Right, okay, I'm going to have a cup of tea, I think, and then we'll get back outside and have a look at the Range Rover again. Catch you in a bit. Right guys, slight change of plan. We're also going to change this bonnet today. Okay. We've got one from a dealer in Wales. Delivered, I think it was about 210 quid. In colour. And really good condition. So, okay, without further ado, let's get this bonnet changed then. Having a look at what it's going to take to get it changed. It looks as though we've got a couple of bolts over on each bracket. Well, it looks at that. Yeah, there's like 2 on each. We've got a couple of struts and some wiring and pipe work for the washers. Okay, right, let's get stripping it down. How's that, guys? There we go. One new bumper installed. Lovely bumper as well. I think we got the lines about right. Let's have a quick look. I think we're good. No, we're a million miles out. Yeah, happy with that. Happy with that. Not a scratch on it. What a great bonnet. Let's have a quick look around the front. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, I like that. Good lines, good condition. Paintwork match. Perfect. Right. Okay, guys. All it leaves me to do now is get rid of the bloody scrap. Oh, dear me. Right, okay. That is it for today. We're going to sign off and we will see you soon. I think the next job will be to start looking at putting some lights back in it and the bumper. Right, take care guys, see you soon.